Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video we're going to reveal day 3 of the Wera Advent Calendar. So far we have the wand halter and the number 8 key. Now let's see what's behind number 3 as we move through the numbers 1 to 24, which represent the days of December before Christmas. And what we have is a compact Wera pouch, which looks like it'll probably hold on to a lot of bits or a screwdriver set of some sort. Don't forget to tune into the next video to reveal day number 4. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on your home garage.